Hi everyone, my name is Victor and I am one of the authors of Technique.com. Today, we'll continue our Learn Linux from Scratch series and we're going to be looking at basic file management tools in Linux. File management in Linux is very important because in Linux, everything is a file and the ability to able to manage files is a very important skill for an administrator. Well, we've looked at some of the topics, some of the modules. So far, we've looked at how to create files, how to delete files and directories. Yeah, those are still file management, but there are still some tools that can be used to manage files effectively. Basic file management involves using some of important utilities, these important tools, to perform basic activities on files. And in this subject matter, we'll look at these basic tools that we can use to manage files. So we're going to start with the more and less utilities in Linux. We're going to see how we can use these utilities to manage files. The more utility, just as the cat utility, can be used to view the content of the file. However, the more utility is used to view the content of the file one page per time. When you use the more or the less utility, you can view a file one at a time with ease. So let's try and view the content of varlog messages. If I use the cat command to view the content of varlog messages, you can see the content of this file. If I need to check more of this file, I would need to scroll down. Okay, let me run the command again now that my screen is white. So if I need to check more of the content of this file, I would need to um, start scrolling. But if I want to check the page one per time, I can use the more command instead of the cat command. I just use more on this file. You can see 3% here. So that means if I want to keep checking, I'll just click on my space bar. Then it keeps scrolling. I keep checking the page one at a time. I keep pressing my space bar. It keeps scrolling. And the 19% keeps increasing till it gets to 100%. So if I have a very large file, using more to view a large file is easier and better. The same applies to the less utility. It is very similar to the more utility. I can use the less utility to view a very large file. Well, the less utility is more robust than the more utility. It allows you to navigate both forward and backward through a file. Well, they basically do the same thing. Yeah. So this is how you use the more and less utility in Linux. In the next class, we'll look at how to use other utilities to manage files. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel. You can also click the like button. Bye for now.